Good evening, good morning, good anything to you. Hello, it's Brando here. It's been a while, I know. It's been over a year, but things have changed. Things are moving forward. Life is going on. Today we're checking out this Vansuny portable terabyte flash drive hard drive. So I don't know if you want to call it a portable hard drive, if you can't consider it a hard drive. I do believe it's 1 terabyte of flash storage, 1,000 gigabytes, so very big storage capacity on it. And it sells for $76 on Amazon by the company Vansuny. And they also have it in 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and 256 gigabytes. Currently about $76 right now on Amazon for the terabyte. So anything else on here that's notable? It's USB 3.2 on one end, and it's USB-C on the other end. And it says it's 1,000 megabytes read speed and write speed. So we'll see if any of that's true or if it's not true. So here it is right here. You can see it's very good build quality. It's made of metal. Have your USB 3.2 on this side right here. You have your USB-C on this end, which can go into your computer, your phone, iPhone, Google phone, Android phone, as long as you have the newer iPhone with the USB-C port 15 plus. So here it is, very nice looking. It has a Vansuny logo on it, and it does appear to be all metal. It's pretty hefty. I was reading the reviews, and someone called this the Lamborghini of flash drives, which I guess you could say it is. I mean, I haven't seen anything bigger than this ever before. So we're going to take a closer look at it now, then we're going to test the speeds on it and actually test to make sure that it can store a terabyte. We've been hearing some things lately with things that don't. Android, Mac, Linux, of course, it'll work with anything that can read a flash drive that this is coded towards, designed for, might be a better word. But USB 3.2, 79.7 millimeters on its longest dimension, so it is a, small little thing. So you can put it in your pocket, do whatever you want with it. Let's check it out. So the program we're going to be using to actually test the hard drive, flash drive over here, is called Valley Drive. And it actually does a spot check across the entire drive, checking to make sure that it's storing the data in the correct spots and making sure that the data is there. All we got to do here is press check USB drive, initiating USB environment. I'm just going to put the flash drive in. Device inserted. Validate this drive. Validated. Here's the data you can see. So it's showing that it has 1 terabyte of data. And it's showing some of the speeds right there, about 1 gigabyte, just over. Pretty impressive. It of course functions the same if you're going to use the actual USB-C in directly. If your computer has the USB-C port, you can just go ahead and directly insert it. You're going to work the same. And we're good to go. So now I have my Files app open on my iPhone here. As you can see, I'm going to put the flash drive, the Vansuny, inside of my iPhone 16 here. And we're going to see if it shows up as storage. So you see my iCloud drive and on my phone, 256 gigabytes. There's the untitled drive right there. So don't have anything in it right now, but you can see that it's here. It shows up as soon as I plug it into the charging port or the data port on the bottom of my iPhone. The end, your old school USB, and then you have your USB-C, which can go directly into more modern computers as well. However, I tested it with the USB. So there you go, guys. A little quick video from Brando View. I know I haven't really been around much. I'm going to try to get back into it. Life has just been taking me off course with a lot of mishaps and unfortunate happenings, but this is the Vansuny 1 terabyte hard drive flash drive. It's about $75 on Amazon. I think it's a great deal considering it's a terabyte of storage for that price that's this small. I mean, I remember paying $120 for 500 gigabytes of SSD a few years ago. The years might be getting to me, but in the end, you can't beat this deal. So I'll have the link down below if you want to purchase it on Amazon. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them down below. And if you like this content, leave a like. I'm going to be doing some more reviews and maybe some more life events happening. So we'll see if I get some more interesting videos going on like I have in the past. So y'all take care. Have a good one.